So on this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed in less than 1 minute. So to fix this problem, it's actually very easy. Open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, go to apps, go to Instagram. Now right here all what you have to do is click on this force stop, and after that go down to the storage, click on clear data and clear cache. Now go back to the settings. This is the settings page again. Go to wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode like this, disable it again, and now all what you have to do is restart your phone, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the video until the end.